Hi students, welcome you all again. In this video, we will start exercise 2.2. So in this question number 1 is find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. In this first example is x square minus 2x minus 8. Second one is 4u square plus 8u and third one is t square minus 15. ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ हम बहुत सेलेक्टेड एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करेंगे जिसके सॉल्यूशन में थोड़ा सा चेंज है. ऐसे ही कुछ सेलेक्टेड हम एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करेंगे. सो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको करना क्या है कि सबसे पहले तो गिवन पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस फाइंड आउट करना है और जीरोस एंड कोएफिशिएंट का रिलेशनशिप भी वेरीफाई करना है. तो चलिए देखते हैं सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. लेट x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. First here we find zeros of the given polynomial by factorization method. In this what we do, we split the middle term. Okay, so by splitting the middle term we get the two factors of the given polynomial, x minus 4 and x plus 2. Therefore either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 2. Therefore the zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8 are 4 and minus 2. Okay, now we know relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial, which is sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, which is equal to minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, and product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta, which is equal to c upon a, which is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Here alpha and beta are zeros of a given polynomial. अब फर्स्ट तो हमने जीरोस फाइंड आउट कर लिए गिवन पॉलिनोमियल की. अब हमें रिलेशनशिप वेरीफाई करना है. रिलेशनशिप वेरीफाई करना यानी कि हमें सिंपली ये शो करना है कि LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS. ओके, सो फर्स्ट विल verify first relationship. Therefore sum of zeros is equal to 4 plus in bracket minus 2, which is equal to 2. Give it as equation number 1. And minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square is equal to minus of minus 2 upon 1. Okay, here coefficient of x is minus 2 and coefficient of x square is 1. Therefore here we get minus of minus 2 upon 1, and which is equal to 2. Therefore from 1 and 2 we can say that sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, and product of zeros is equal to 4 multiplied by minus 2, which is equal to minus 8. Give it as equation number 3. And constant term upon coefficient of x square is equal to minus 8 upon 1. Here constant term is minus 8 and coefficient of x square again 1. Therefore here we get minus 8 upon 1, and which is equal to minus 8. Therefore from 3 and 4 we can say product of zeros is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Hence relationship verified. So students, इस तरह से आपको दोनों भी रिलेशनशिप वेरीफाई करना है. Now let's see example number 2. Let 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. Here 4u is common in both the term, so we can take it outside the bracket. Therefore we get 4u into u plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that u is equal to 0 or u is equal to minus 2. Therefore the zeros of given polynomials are 0 and minus 2. Okay, now we will verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So sum of zeros is equal to 0 plus in bracket minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Give it as equation number 1. And minus of coefficient of u upon coefficient of u square is equal to minus 8 upon 4. Okay, here coefficient of u is 8 and coefficient of u square is 4. Therefore we can write minus 8 upon 4, which is equal to minus 2. Give it as equation number 2. Therefore from 1 and 2 sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of u upon coefficient of u square. Now and product of zeros is equal to 0 multiplied by minus 2, which is equal to 0. Give it as equation number 3. Now 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. It is your original polynomial. By rewriting this polynomial, we get 4u square plus 8u plus 0 is equal to 0. As constant term is missing in original polynomial, correct? So we can rewrite as 4u square plus 8u plus 0 is equal to 0. Both are equal polynomial. Okay. Therefore, constant term upon coefficient of u square is equal to 0 upon 4, which is equal to 0. Now give at as equation number 4. Therefore, from 3 and 4, we get product of zeros is equal to constant term upon coefficient of u square. Hence, both relationship between coefficient and zeros are verified. Okay. See solution of example number 3. Let t square minus 15 is equal to 0. That means t square is equal to 15. Now taking square root both the side, we get t is equal to plus or minus under root 15. Therefore, either t is equal to root 15 or t is equal to minus root 15. Therefore, the zeros of given polynomial are root 15 and minus root 15. Okay. Now we will verify relationship between zeros and its coefficient. Therefore, first sum of zeros is equal to root 15 plus in bracket minus root 15, which is equal to 0. Give it as equation number 1. Okay. Now student, your original polynomial is t square minus 15. Correct. Here in original polynomial middle term is missing. Therefore, we can rewrite this polynomial as t square plus 0 into t minus 15, which is equal to 0. Therefore, minus coefficient of t upon coefficient of t square is equal to minus in bracket 0 upon 1, which is equal to 0. Give it as equation number 2. Okay. Here coefficient of t is 0 and coefficient of t square is 1. That's why we get here 0. Okay. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we can write sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of t upon coefficient of t square. And product of zeros is equal to root 15 into minus root 15, which is equal to minus 15. Okay. Now give it as equation number 3. Now, constant term upon coefficient of t square is equal to minus 15 upon 1, which is equal to minus 15. Here constant term is 15, minus 15, and coefficient of t square is 1. Therefore, we get here minus 15. Give it as equation number 4. Now, from 3 and 4, we can say that product of zeros is equal to constant term upon coefficient of t square. Okay. Hence, relationship verified. Okay. Now, student, in next video, we will see question number 2 of exercise 2.2. आई होप कि आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 अच्छे से समझ आया होगा. ओके. फिर भी अगर आपको कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हो. ओके. सो इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल फॉर मोर अपकमिंग वीडियोस. ओके देन, बाय बाय.